Dogfish.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Dr. Evanjali.
Hi.
Hello, Ivy. Hello, Hope. So today we have one new admission. Please welcome to the class. It's Wasabi Goyal.
Wasabi Goyal is kush. Baby, are you people soon? Sir, make me the co-host.
Sui CRDA wrong. Mr. Bedi wrong. Jimmy Dogfish wrong. Crown Prince correct. Evanjali wrong. Fira Hacker wrong. Hope wrong. And Ivy League wrong. So guys, let's see. The question is 25 meters, 65 centimeters. So 25 meters and 65 centimeters. It is getting added to what, guys? It's getting added to what?
Sir, sir, 45 and 25. Sir, sorry,
46 and 35.
46 and 35.
46 and 35.
35.
Okay. So I will do 46 and 35. Then I will add. So when I will add 65 and 35, I will get 100 centimeters. And when I will add 46 and 25, I will get 71 meters. So I will get 71 meters, 100 centimeters. But I know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So what will happen? This 100 centimeters will change to 1 meters. So I will get 72 meters as my final answer. Do we understand, kids?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मिस्टर बेदी जी आपका तो आंसर ही कुछ और आ गया था आपने क्या मजाक कर दिया मिस्टर बेदी
I turned 71 to 80. Sir, 46 के अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ करी थी. Sir,
यस
will I get the kids though?
बेटा टुडे मैम इज नॉट देयर ना किस किस का करेक्ट था कि बस आपका ही
Yes. I will get 3 kids roles then.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो किलोमीटर्स एंड मीटर्स वी हैव 325 and 78 and 64 and 34. Add them, give your answer. Is the question visible, guys?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I cannot see the screen only. No,
Who
sir.
cannot see the screen?
Sir, Mr. Bedi said
Beta, you have to pin my picture.
okay, sir, I pen you. So now your pen. So now I can see.
Crown Prince is correct. Well done, Crown Prince.
Then do we have to add all the numbers in the end?
I don't know. I cannot tell you anything. आप पहले कन्वर्जन यूनिट लिखो तब समझ में आएगा आपको
Sir, I said the wrong unit.
बेटा आंसर इज ओनली रॉन्ग
Sir, send.
TRDI, सुई, पीटर, बॉट, हैकर, करेक्ट। तो मुझे वीरा अपनी नोटबुक दिखा दो बेटा।
Sir, 1 minute. पेज खोल दो।
मतलब अभी तक आपने नोटबुक ही नहीं खोली?
ये सर खोली है। सर आई गॉट करेक्ट।
नहीं खोली। यस।
सर आई
मिस्टर
गॉट
बेदी,
करेक्ट।
करेक्ट। यस बेटा, यू आर ऑल्सो करेक्ट।
ये
वीरा, दैट्स नॉट गुड बेटा, है ना?
सर खोली नहीं।
आई विल स्टेपल यू with this.
एप्पल।
Yes. Staple
Then
you
you
on your
are,
notebook
then you
so
will
that
go
from
to
next
jail.
time you don't forget to take out your notebook.
Yes, sir. And if you do this, you will go to jail. Veera's mom will call the police.
No.
No. Sir, Veera's mom will not call the police if you staple his notebook to his clothes. Because then he will not be caught. Yes, sir. Staple his notebook with his clothes. Every clothes. Sir can't even do it. It is an online class. Sir, staple the notebook with his hair. Sir,
Okay, 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 okay.
with his hair.
Give me dogfish, wrong हो गया बेटा आपका. And Ivy, बेटा camera on.
Sir, correct. Today I also get all the questions correct. I will get 4 kids
बेटा,
zone.
since the time you have become crown prince, I can see a very good change. Mr. Bedi, both answers correct. Mr. Bedi खुद से किए, mama helped. बेटा unmute and speak.
आज बैठा मेरे सामने बट हेल्प नहीं करा रहा, वो अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहा है।
मम्मा अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, मेरा भाई पढ़ाई कर रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा। होप बेटा थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है। एंड CRDA पीटरपॉट सुई थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है, बहुत थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है। एवरीवन बट एवरीवन हैज अंडरस्टूड द कांसेप्ट। ये सेम ही रहेगा। ये 117 ml है, तो दिस विल 117 ml ओनली।
Sir, I sent. Sir, I have sent you. You're not checking.
I am speaking na, I called up your name also. Then 1150 gram will change into what? 1150 grams will change into 1 kg and 150 grams. So basically this will into 150 gram, and here I will add 1. I will get 14 kgs.
पार्ट में ना एल और एमएल को एम और सीएम समझ लिया। मिनिस्टर प्राइम मिनिस्टर। सर आई सेंट।
That's great. Add these two.
करना है माइनस।
Plus करना है, add these two.
सर बाबा सॉरी सर मेरी पेंसिल घूम गई ना, मुझे कुछ दिखती ना। मिस्टर सिग्मा 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 बॉस बाय सिग्मा सिग्मा बॉस। इतना पिद्दू आंसर है ये तो। भाई तो 1 साल का बच्चा भी कर लेगा। हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
Oh, how I
तो
can
वहां से
teach now
करो।
on whiteboard? Do you know?
Sir, we know from edges. From since we are 1 millisecond, we know. Percent.
Correct.
Sir, can you say?
CRTA, SUI, Peterbot, Hacker, Crown. IV correct. Jimmy, Dogfish correct. Mr. Bedi, it's a typing mistake or otherwise I don't know, but it's wrong. The last digit is wrong.
Sir,
तो गाइस आई थिंक सबने ही भेज दिया आंसर। होप ने भेज दिया आपने? मिस होपा?
sir, I have also sent.
होपा? होपा हैज
लेकिन
नॉट सेंड।
आंसर तो सही है, पर मैंने तो गलती से दूसरा आंसर भेज दिया।
गाइस ये 143 है होप। ये 143 होगा। 8 + 5 will be 13 and this will be 160
हाय सर,
meters.
हाय हाय सर, देख भी नहीं रहे।
Have you understood guys?
हेलो सर।
और मैं कैंसिल ऑफ।
हेलो भाई, कौन है भाई?
कहाँ? सर मेरे को लगता है मेरे पेंसिल को गोवा जा रही है। घूमी जा रही है, घूमी जा रही है, घूमी जा रही है।
चलिए।
तो गोवा ही जाना है वापस। सर, I
Yes.
sent you the answer late because
सर मेरा
I'm
आंसर तो सही, बट मैंने तो
out of the
160 देकर
class.
43 यहाँ पे। हेलो सर, हाय सर।
Who is saying hello hi?
Sir,
Yes
what?
sir.
Life
नहीं
has
नहीं, भाई
went
खुद
in
के
his
लिए बोलने जा
house.
रहा है।
Why?
Was
Well, I have this book. I have so many books.
left the class because of network issue. Can you check my answer? I did not even see your explanation. Sir, my dear blaster.
लेंथ वेट chapter 5 chapter 5 sir, chapter
Keep
5
trying.
My dear
Sir, your
blaster.
screen,
Hot,
why
hot,
you are
hot, hot,
using
hot.
this screen, boring screen? This is not
Please
good. I
change.
have to pin you, that way I can see you.
So it's Sir, what is this?
So how many questions did we do that day? We did these 3. Did we do 4? Yes. So let's do question 5 and question 6.
Sir, will I kids off because it is blue marked.
Question 5 and question 6.
So
Don't make this noise, guys. Don't make this noise.
Okay, so. हाँ ना बाबा सब सब दिन Sir, it is very mushkil. Sir, question 5 is very mushkil.
It is hard.
Yes.
No. I agree with the opposite of what you are saying right now.
Sir, can you be aside? I cannot see. Fifth and sixth we have to do, sir. Sir, we have to do fifth and sixth.
We have to do fifth and sixth.
Okay, sir. I don't know what is. Sir, sent. Sir, sent.
Correct, Veera the hacker.
Both? Sir,
Yes,
sir,
both.
what about CRDS, Sook, Peterbot, Hacker?
Ivan, both are wrong.
Sir,
Louis Peterbot first is wrong. Beta, I'm checking 1 second. Crown Prince, both are correct. Dr. Eva has not sent yet. Hope, beta sent both the answers. Jimmy Dogfish, both are correct. Mr. Bedi, first is correct, second is
सर
wrong.
मैंने सेकंड का मुझे पता है बट
नहीं बेटा पता है बट ऐसे नहीं बोलना ना मैंने आपको बताया हुआ एक ही चांस मिलता है डॉक्टर ईवा सेंड योर आंसर
Sir, what about my second one? Check कर दो.
बेटा
Sir,
होप
what
कैन
about
यू
my
सेंड
second
बोथ
one?
आंसर्स इन वन मैसेज फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम बेटा
Okay, sir.
होप फर्स्ट इज रॉन्ग सेकंड इज करेक्ट मिस्टर बेदी
Oh,
नो बेटा प्लीज बार बार नहीं सेंड करो यस यू आर ऑन फायर टुडे कौन बचा है अभी
who is on fire?
डॉक्टर ईवा केवल आप ऑप्शन नंबर भेज सकते हो बेटा फर्स्ट इज रॉन्ग सेकंड इज करेक्ट डॉक्टर ईवा तो सबसे पहले मैं सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन का एक्सप्लेन करूंगा Sixth question is very easy, guys.
यस
एक
सर
bucket है, which is equal to 3 jugs. तो मैं आपको अपनी beautiful drawing दिखाऊंगा, but promise you will not tell anyone else that मेरी drawing इतनी अच्छी है.
Sir, ये बैंगन लगते हैं. Sir,
Jugs हैं.
सर ये अच्छी नहीं लग रही मुझे
3 jugs हैं.
sir, it looks funny. Sir.
तो
यस
one
सर
jug is
सर ये
equal to
बनाना लगता है बनाना
so one jug.
और banana भी नहीं,
One
mango.
jug is equal to 2 liters. Second jug is also equal to 2. Third jug.
Second वाला तो क्या पूछी ना?
So total this will be 6 liters. Okay, okay, enough. So total this bucket will be 6 liters. Do we understand? Whoever got this question wrong?
Yes, sir. आपके banana
यस सर
Sir, आपका
Next
brinjal
one.
banana और chicken
First
banana.
one. ये guys मैं आपको अलग से भी पढ़ाऊंगा. Time concept I will teach you later also. But अभी के लिए मैं बता देता हूँ. 7:30 से 9 ये टाइम कितना हो रहा है किसका गलत था फर्स्ट वाला
मेरा. तो 9.
बताओ टाइम कितना हो रहा है ये
Sorry, 9:15. 9:15. 9:15. 9:30. Sorry, 9:15.
बिकॉज जो स्मॉल हैंड है दैट इज ऑन 9 And the big hand is on 3, so it is 9:52. First of all, I will do 7:30 to 8:30. कितने hours होंगे?
1 hour.
1 hour.
C part. I knew it because
1 hour होगा.
but I
फिर
sent the wrong answer.
8:30 to 9 में कितने minutes हो जाएंगे?
Sir, 30 minutes.
तो 30 minutes, तो 30 लिख देता हूँ मैं. Then 9 to 9:15 कितने minutes हो जाएंगे?
15.
15 minutes.
तो मैं यहाँ 15 minutes लिख देता हूँ. Then I have to add all. So that will give
1
me 1
hour
hour and
55 minutes.
45 minutes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब हम करेंगे. मैंने आपको ऑफ का कंसेप्ट पढ़ाया था ना?
Yes, sir. Off concept.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन 7, 8 और 9.
Sir, 3 question.
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
7,
No, sir.
8 and 9.
Yeah. Yeah. Sir, 8th question is very blur and 9th question are very blur. Yes, sir. It is. Yes,
Now
yes,
also
sir.
it's
It is fine. Now it is fine, sir. Sir, do it down. Sir, sent.
in one message, Dr. Eva, 3 questions in one message.
Sir, it is so easy, bacha. Sir, I have sent you. Sir, I have sent you. Sir, सबका सेम ही आंसर है. Sir, this is very bacha. Sir,
Naughty
very
Veera
bacha,
correct.
bacha. Same.
Lily Dogfish correct.
All correct. Let's go.
Dr. Evangeline, who is बेटा जिसने जो भी बोलेगा उसका 1 point का. Kushwant Singh correct.
Ah, ah. Sigma, sigma, boy, sigma, boy, sigma, boy. Sigma, sigma, boy, sigma, boy, sigma, boy.
Mr. Betty, look at my lagande.
That is Lagrange combination.
Crown Prince, second one is wrong. Hope, first one is wrong. Mr. Baby, third one is wrong. तो गाइस देखते हैं सभी ने एक एक गड़बड़ किया. Crown
No.
Prince, which box is the heaviest? Of course, बेटा यहाँ 9 लिखा है तो ये heavy होगा ना. This is 3, this is 6, and this is 8. So which box is the heaviest is the A part. Understood the Understood why?
Accidentally sent B.
Now I think Dr. Evanjali आपका ये गलत है. This is बेटा 80 से ज्यादा 90 से कम. This is 88. This is 70, between 70 and 80. This is between 60 and 70. This is between 70 and 80. कोई भी 80 से ऊपर केवल एक है. मुझे देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. This will be my answer. Understood, Dr. Evanjali?
Sir, accidentally sent B. I have to send A, but I accidentally sent B.
Sir, I sent A only.
Someone who got it wrong then. Someone got it wrong for sure.
तो सबका आंसर A ही था. 9, 7, 8, 9 सबका आंसर ये था. तो
Yes.
देखो मैंने अपने इसके क्या कर दिया.
Now next one guys. एक बच्चे का गलत था. Half of a day. Day में कितने hours होते हैं? बताओ.
24 hours.
Half of a day. Day में होते हैं 24 hours. तो मैं half of 24 hours यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. Then whichever number is in the numerator and whichever number is in the denominator will be divided. तो मैं जब divide करूंगा 24 divided by 2 I will get 12 hours. My answer will be 12 hours. Got it? जिसका भी गलत था भाई समझ आ गया? Yes or no? चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं.
Sir, you are lagging.
क्वेश्चन 10th and 11th.
सर मुझे लगता है आपने पेंसिल वाला कराया हुआ है क्वेश्चन.
बहुत पहले कराया था.
Sir, can you draw the lines?
You want me to draw the lines?
Yes, sir.
सर कौन सा क्वेश्चन करना है?
10 और 11.
क्या?
10 और 11.
मेरे को सुन नहीं रहा सर. ओके. सर हमने क्या किया हुआ है? सर्कल सर्कल सर्कल. The yellow pencil. Sir, can you draw the lines for the 10th? Let me use a scale only. It will help me. A scale. Let me take a scale. It will help me. Okay. Yellow pencil. Sir, a line is very trendy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
So you did not draw for the red pencil.
So, sir, I can. Sir, I cannot see your screen.
बेटा why?
Oh, now I can see. Sent.
Nadia, beta, I cannot check your answer. Crown Prince is correct.
Sir, I don't know. I was sending the second. I was doing the second question. I was typing C and doing the second question so that it does not waste time. But it typed send only. I don't know how.
So Naughty Veera first question is wrong.
Sir, send. Subject. Subject. Text. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you check? I have sent.
Hope first one is wrong, second is correct. Dr. Eva first is wrong, second is correct.
Sir, minus first is.
Suri, Kushwant Singh first is wrong, second is. But I don't speak in between. Correct. I think Jimmy Dogfish first is correct. So first of all, I'll explain, guys. जिसका भी गलत है, I will ask from Dr. Evangeline what is the length of the red pencil.
Sir, can you check?
12 centimeters.
12 is wrong, बेटा. मैंने पहले भी आपको कराया हुआ है. 12 is wrong. Ivan, both are correct. तो देखो डॉक्टर इवांजलि, ये एंड हो रही है 12 पे और स्टार्ट हो रही है 1 पे. So it will be 12 minus 1, that is equal to 11 centimeters if it is in centimeters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
इवांजलि समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
So Dr. Evangeline, what is the length of the blue pencil?
Sir, it is 7 centimeters.
Is 7 centimeters. Mr. Bedi, what is the length of green pencil? Mr. Bedi, what is the length of green pencil? Bedi ji, you are on mute.
Sir, 8.
8 centimeters. 9 minus 1, 8 centimeters. Naughty Veera, what is the length of yellow pencil?
5.
5 centimeters.
Minus 2.
तो होप मुझे एक बार ब्लू पेंसिल की लेंथ और तो फिर से बता दो.
What?
What is the length of blue pencil?
Sir, 8.5.
देखो बेटा, you are the one who was not paying attention. And hope beta don't use that smiley with me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And beta pay attention in my classes. Arjit, what is the length of blue pencil? आप unmute रखो hope. Bedi ji, what is the length of blue pencil?
Sir,
Once.
sir, मैं देख नहीं पा रहा.
देख नहीं पा रहे, आप देखो.
Sir, 6 centimeters.
So Mr. Bedi and Hope, two persons were not paying attention. देखो मिस्टर बेदी है, एंड कहाँ पे हो रही है ये? बताओ एंड कहाँ हो रही है? बेदी जी, टेल मी वेयर इज इट एंडिंग?
Sir, 9.
9. और स्टार्ट कहाँ से हो रही है?
Sir, 2 से.
2 से. तो व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ द ब्लू पेंसिल?
7. Sir, 7.
7. 9 minus 2, that will be equal to 7. Hope, what will be the length of green pencil?
What, sir?
What will be the length of green pencil?
Sir, 1. It is starting from 1
Hmm.
and ending on 9 only.
9 only. So what will be the length?
10 centimeter.
बेटा minus करना है. 9 minus 1. What will be 9 minus 1?
8.
Hope, what will be the length of yellow pencil?
Blow.
Sir, it is
Blow.
starting from 3
Okay.
and ending on 8.
What will be its length?
Buck.
5 centimeter.
5 centimeters.
Buck. Banana chicken.
Chicken? What are you saying?
Chicken.
Banana? Chicken? आपको चिकन खाना है?
No, I am veg. Ghana is
How can you
chicken
be veg,
banana.
beta? How can you be veg?
Sir, because I don't eat non-veg. सर हमें कैसे पता होगा 12th का which one is the heaviest? Non-veg of KFC. उनमें तो
You have to
बताया
do
भी
the
नहीं.
12th question and the 14th question.
सर हमें 12th पे कैसे पता चलेगा which one is the heaviest?
बेटा
Picture से.
मैं आपको हेल्प नहीं करा सकता इसमें.
मेरे
You
को
have to
खुद पता है
decide.
इतना easy है सर.
इतना इजी है.
Let me
Mr. Bedi, camera on.
see.
So, which one do we have to do?
Beta, I have marked it.
I was confused. There are 2 green circles and 1 blue thing.
Blue thing is for something else. Blue thing is for indicating it's a tough question.
Sir, can you send you the answer of 13?
Send. So send.
So I think everyone will be correct for this 2 questions because they are bacha questions. Ivan correct and Kushwant Singh correct and Veera Hacker correct and Mr. Bediji correct and Crown Prince correct.
Sir, Krida to Peterbot hacker crown.
And yes, correct. So answers are AC. I hope everyone sent AC
AC.
only.
Sir, I don't have AC in my study room.
Beta, why?
Sir, Mama just put a fan, not AC.
Why?
I don't know.
Sir, is my
But in my room, I have an AC and
Sir?
fan both.
Sir,
He is kidding. Akdu, pagdu.
Chalo guys, do this
Baby.
15th one.
Okay, sir.
You want to study from which one? This board or the other board?
Sir, other board.
Sir, this board. Sir, this board.
Board. Sir, this board. Sorry, this.
Why?
Sir, because it is a lot bigger.
It's a little bigger.
Sir, sent.
Whose name is not here? Hope.
Sir, mine also. Oh, my.
सर
Sir,
हमें
send
15 का तो
send.
नहीं भेजना, सर हमें 14 का भेजना है।
नहीं बेटा,
Sir,
ओनली
she didn't write my name.
Hello, hi, sir. Sir, sir, you didn't put one name. Not Ivy. It is Ivy League. Not Ivy. Sir, send. Push one send.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Sir, I have also sent.
Trala Nelo Trala send. Also send.
Oh, Veera Hacker is wrong.
Sir, what about Kushwant?
Kushwant is correct.
Sure.
Crown Prince is correct.
What about Hope?
Oh, right. What?
So what about Jimmy Dogfish?
Wrong.
Sir, what about Hope?
Oh,
Wrong.
it's wrong.
Sir, I
Sir,
the answer.
look at the magic brain I
So
told.
guys,
Hope
listen.
wrong.
First of all, what is the temperature shown here? It is 42. Though the fonts are small, still it's 42. And they have set 28 Fahrenheit, 28 degrees Fahrenheit more than the room temperature. So the temperature shown, this is actually more than the room temperature. By how much? By 28. To find the room temperature, which is lesser than this temperature, I will subtract to get 14 degree Fahrenheit. Do we understand?
Yes, sir, and the class is over.
What?
sir.
ये तो difficult question है.
2 minutes.
Yes,
Sir, the
it was
class
a mental
is
question.
over.
Mental question. Mental.
16th, do the 16th one.
It is hard question. Sir, send.
Guys, write and do it, okay?
Sorry, sir. I forgot to press the arrow. I have to type it again. Sent. Ting, 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 ting.
Now, we do last question, which is 17, please.
Sir, can you check?
कुशवंत आपने लिख के नहीं किया ना बेटा?
सर इसमें तो मेंशन ही नहीं है कि फ्रॉम है या फिर आफ्टर है.
Sir, I have
Guys,
sent.
but I told you a trick to write and do it.
सर नहीं, पर उसमें वो नहीं लिखा फ्रॉम या फिर बिफोर.
बेटा from या before की
मैं
जरूरत ही
तो लिख के करा बट
सर may I go to wash the room? It's
So
very.
बेटा not now. After 1 minute, 2 minutes you can go.
Sir, but I have a class.
तो guys मैं explain करता हूँ. First of all, tomorrow को हम लिखेंगे tomorrow. It's what? Thursday. तो day after tomorrow तो चाहिए ही नहीं मुझे, उससे पहले चाहिए. तो पहले होगा today. It will be what?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Then let me write yesterday. What will be yesterday?
Tuesday.
Sir, Tuesday.
Tuesday. Then what will be day before yesterday? तो मैं DS लिख दे.
Monday.
Monday.
So day before yesterday will be Monday. So if you write and do it,
How did
Sir,
you?
I got my mistake.
Wrong.
guys,
Sir,
you,
I've done.
you did not write dice. You have to write dice also to get your correct answer.
Yes, sir, I did not write the dice one. I did.
Mr. Bedi, Crown Prince, Naughty Veera. Beta, we have to be careful.
knew the answer, but I didn't see the options.
बेटा स्टिल आपको ऑप्शंस की जरूरत ही नहीं है, आप बिना ऑप्शंस के भी कर सकते हो।
Sir, I said the wrong
Get the
option.
sense C.
चलो guys, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye 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 bye.